Welcome to this tutorial that would enable you to easily customize your fabrics with the Uniwax Fabrics on Request service by Uniwax. Step 1. Choose your pattern. Go to the Customization tab and discover the different categories. The print, for patterns with only one base color. The block, for patterns with several colors. Finally, the fancy, with patterns created especially for the various celebrations of life. Choose your category and pattern. Once your pattern has been chosen, proceed with Step 2, Customization. Step 2, Customize your pattern. Click on Modify Colors to edit the colors of your fabric. Once you have chosen your colors, click on Back and choose your medallion if you wish to use one. First, choose your medallion style. Then choose the quantity of medallions, 1, 3, 4, or 5. To finish, choose your combination, medallion and text, text only, or medallion only. Ready for the next step? Click in the center of the medallion to import your picture. Once your picture has been imported, adjust it in the medallion. You can move it, enlarge it, or rotate it. Click on the text space to insert your text. You can choose your fonts from our library. In the colors, click on Medallions and Text to change the color of the medallion and text. Do you have the fabric of your dreams? Choose the quantity and cut, then add your fabric to the cart. Step 3. Order. You have an overview of your fabric and the delivery time. Click on Order. Log in or create an account. Choose your delivery address. Pay directly online.